So most people solve this question like 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. And again 8 divided by 8 is equal to also 1. Now 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is synthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one division, also here we have one division, and also here we have one division. So all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. And divide by 8 divided by 8, right? Now 1 divided by 8 can be written as 1 upon 8 divided by 8. So now 1 divided, now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction as it is same, 1 divided by 8. Then C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means keep this second fraction 8 is equal to 1 divided by 8. So now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. Then 8 multiply 8 is equal to 64. So the correct answer is 1 upon 64, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.